I'm thrilled to share my experience with the INKEY List's new Exosome Hydro Glow Complex Serum. As a longtime fan of the brand, I was excited to see how this innovative serum would perform. The serum has a lovely, smooth, pudding-like texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no tackiness behind. I've been using it as a primer, and it's worked beautifully, providing a smooth canvas for makeup. After incorporating this serum into my daily skincare routine, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's softness, hydration, and overall glow. My skin feels more radiant and looks healthier, with a subtle glow that's not too dewy or glass skin like, but rather a natural, well rested appearance. The serum claims to boost collagen production by 300%, reduce inflammation by 55%, and improve skin repair by 63% in 8 hours. I've definitely noticed a change in my skin's texture since using the serum, and I'm impressed by the results. I use the serum morning and night, right after cleansing, and apply it to my face and neck. Its non-greasy texture absorbs quickly, making it perfect for daily use. I'm loving this serum. It's gentle, fragrance-free, and suitable for all skin types. The cooling and hydrating sensation on contact is a nice bonus. With its impressive claims and noticeable results, I believe this serum is a must-have in any skincare routine.